Hello, I'm Julia Dem, Project Manager of the Strategic Partnership Project Youth in the Moment and one of the creators of the Basic Mindfulness course for youth workers. I will guide you through the HOP platform and our e-course to make your learning experience clear and smooth. Let's go. When you enter a course, you have information about the course in general, what you can read, and also you may watch our welcome video. Here you have other organizational parts that help you to go through the course. You can read and watch the video about how to work with the course. You can go to the reflection to get ready to your learning experience, and you might join our forum where you can ask questions and communicate with your peers and colleagues. You also have a slide bar, but you may open and go through the whole navigation and jump to any part of the course where you would like to go. Here you also can see your progress, and if this color it means that this part is done. If you don't need slide bar, you can just close it. Here you can see our models and part extra. If you open models, you can see different pages, lessons and tasks. To complete the course, you need to go through all parts of the course and mark done. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes a bit more complicated. For example, when you have lessons, you need to go to the end to complete the activity. And when you reach the end, you can mark down. Some parts necessarily to mark down. Some parts just available to you to download documents, for example, and use them for your project or activities. And some parts, it's just information that you may read and you don't need to mark as done. Our course finishing with the final words, and you're also very welcome to join our mindfulness community. Thank you for being with us, and let's have joyful learning experience together. If you have any comments, questions, please ask in our support and feedback session in our forum. See you.